Click on the page. At the top, click on background color. Scroll to the bottom until you see default gradient colors, and you can choose any of these gradient colors here. You can expand all your options by clicking on See All, and here are all the default gradient colors that Canva offers. Now let's say I want to create my own custom gradient color. I come over to add a new color. On the right-hand side, select Gradient. Here I can change this color now to my own preference. I can add a new gradient color to add multiple colors to this mix. And I can even select the style that I want to see this gradient color in. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.